Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I am doing this mask that I was sent by a subscriber, a dear subscriber, Brenda Bolts. She sent me a package of these. These are one of my favorite masks. They're the Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask, and this is in the green apple. It has a little scent of green apple to it, and it's got a little green tint to the sheet mask, and it's a very lovely mask. It fits nicely, and it stays on well. So I really like it. And I am doing that mask, and we've got lots to talk about today. So I do want to remind you about some collabs that I'm in. I'm in the Temu bandwagon collab with 10 other channels, and I'll have the playlist below. And then I'm also in the Autism Awareness Month collab. It's a month-long collab. And 5 or 6 channels are coming out each Monday with information about autism. And some of us are having giveaways. And my giveaway runs through the 29th. And I'll have my video below, and I'll have the playlist below. And this week, today the 24th, today's the 24th, right? We have the videos that are coming out today. Now, some will do a Mask Monday and some will do different things. Not everybody does Mask Monday. Some will do makeup and other things. So the channels that are coming out today are Faye Blanchard, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Real Lady Electrician, which is Crystal, Sweet and Sassy Sarah, and Taylor Marie. And I will have the playlist below for you to follow, and you can also look back to that playlist to see the previous weeks, because April 3rd, April 10, April 17, and April 24, we've had 5 to 6 channels come out with autism awareness videos. So please look for those, and make sure you watch all of them. They're very important to see and to learn. And I have learned so much, y'all. And this is my 3rd year being in it, but I don't think we'll ever really know every single thing there is to know about autism, because every person that's affected is different. They have their own makeup, just like we all are different. So it just will help you to understand it a little better, and hopefully to to work better with people that have it. So I do have a little friend mail, and then I want to talk to you about some mascaras that I have. So I have a card that came in the mail, and this is from Mary Beamsterboer. I just love her name. She's a wonderful subscriber. Oh, Mary, where did you find this perfect card? Look at that card, y'all. Is that not beautiful? This is by threadless.com. Cat Time. This is like frameable for me. This is Pepe Rodriguez from Mexico. This card was created and handpicked by the global artist community on threadless.com. When you buy from us, you support independent artists. Very, very nice. And it's also a recycled paper greeting. So there is the information on the back. That is a beautiful card. I just love it. So inside it says, "Hi Mary, just popping in to say hi. Love, Mary B." Okay, it's a thank you note. It's Mary, thank you. Mary just won a giveaway for me. One of my whisk bags she won, and I had filled it with some goodies. So I bought this card a while ago, and you are the perfect person to send it to. The kitty is so cute. Yes, it is, Mary. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love getting cards, y'all. And, just the thought that y'all are thinking of me means so much to me. And this is so beautiful, Mary. Thank you. What I try to do is put the cards on my refrigerator, so I can see them every day. They just lift me up, brighten me up. So thank you so much, Mary. And I have some mascaras. Recently I took a bunch of stuff out. I had dropped my container in the bathroom of my mascaras and liners and brushes, things that I use every day. And then, then I have a bunch of other things. So I am going to change out some of my mascaras because I've just been using them too long. So you really should use mascaras for 3 months. And because you're putting that on your eye, our eyes are very sensitive, even if you don't have sensitive skin or eyes. We come in contact with all kinds of germs throughout the day. And putting this brush close to our eye. There's some hanging from there. And then putting it back in here into moisture, and then it sits somewhere for a while. You know, you just don't want to keep it forever because it can cause bacteria buildup, and then you can be putting bacteria on your eyes. So let me start off with what I'm getting rid of, okay? This is Complex Culture, and look at the packaging is beautiful. You can see I've loved it. It's been used well. This was really nice. I liked it a lot. I did have a little bit of trouble with it getting gunky. So I don't know if, you know, the thing that you pull out, it seems to be intact, but if, you know, sometimes they don't make them quite the right size. But I love this brush. I just like the good old-fashioned brush. That's my favorite. And this was a very, very nice mascara, and I really liked it. This I used a lot for every day. And their packaging is just beautiful, Complex Culture. So, and then I have this one from Marc Jacobs. I tell y'all, I don't know why Marc Jacobs is not making makeup anymore, because anything I've had from him has been phenomenal. Even though he hasn't made makeup for a while, I guess what we get in boxes still is old stuff. You can't tell. It's his lippies that I've had, his mascaras, fantastic mascara. This, again, beautiful packaging. And this is a sort of a little bit of an hourglass shaped brush. You can't necessarily tell too much, but fantastic mascara. I loved it. And, you know, you can't buy it. So, but honestly, first of all, it'd probably be too expensive for me to afford. I don't need to buy things like that because I get so much in boxes. So I don't buy them, you know, but if I were to, I would definitely want to buy that. And then this one I got in a box as well. I think I got this in Boxycharm. This is the Too Faced brand, Better Than Sex mascara. Beautiful container also. This is a great mascara as well. Again, a little bit of an hourglass shape and a wonderful mascara. I like all three of these, but bye-bye. This one got a little thick too soon. I'm not sure why, you know, if they get old, whatever. So those are on their way out. So what's on their way in? First, let me tell you, I bought this mascara a while ago. And I did test it, and then it's been sitting in the package. This is the one that is the big, you know, TikTok deal. It is L'Oreal brand, the telescopic intense length mascara. So that's the packaging. You can see I have taken it out. It's very pretty, telescopic. Let's see what it says. Hydrofuge telescopic mascara. Okay, so it looks like a telescope, okay? See? Very nice packaging. I bought the waterproof one. Well, I can say that, but now I don't see it on the package. I thought I bought the waterproof one. I got this on Amazon, and a lot of people are paying around $20 for this. This was on Amazon, and I paid $9 and change, or $8 and change. I had it written down for the longest time. Oh yeah, right here it says waterproof. I got the waterproof on purpose because I prefer waterproof, and a lot of the mascaras we get in boxes are not waterproof. So I got waterproof, and I don't know if that makes a difference. But this one is the one that several TikTokers, YouTubers, Instagram personalities have used, and it just, you know, makes your lashes grow. Well, it says up to 50% longer lashes, okay? I will tell you, this is fantastic. Fantastic. And then I'll tell you what's not fantastic about it. First of all, the brush is really cool. You can see it's one of those, you know, is it silicone, plastic, whatever. It's just like little razor teeth. It's really nice. It goes on well. You do look like you have more lashes and they're longer. Really great. If you need this for your wedding, a big something in your life, get it. But I'll tell you something, trying to get this off your eyelashes. And I have some fabulous products to get makeup off, and it was like tar. It was like tar. So I've only used it the one time. I will use it again, but I haven't used it since. You know, I'm glad I didn't pay the $20 that a lot of people are paying for it. Okay, so now the mascaras that I'm going to rotate into my, because use one mascara, use it for 3 months. That's the norm, okay? I've always been a mascara lover, and I've always had more than one mascara in my stash, always. So I have had this one for a little while. I've actually been using it just for a short time, for a week or so. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. This is really cool. It's got the volume, and it's got it. This one says curl and length. This one says volume. So how this works, this is the volume side, okay? You can see that. Whoops, what am I trying to do? That's the volume side. And then this brush is the curl and length side, okay? And it's wonderful. Love it. I really like this. Again, something I can't really probably afford to buy. But it came in a box, and I don't remember which box. Probably Boxy. I'm definitely worried about, I'm missing Boxy, okay? And then I have these other two this is a deluxe sample. This is the Lash Clash by Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. And I don't know where this came from. Maybe Allure? Did this come from Allure, y'all? I don't remember. But it's a cute little, and let's see what it looks like, because I'm going to use it. Oh yeah, that's a nice brush. I like that. So that's like the good old-fashioned good bristle brush. I like that. And that looks nice and thick and good. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but anyway, Yves Saint Laurent, how can you go wrong with them? So I'll be putting that in my stash, in my usage. And this, I've had this one a very long time. Rowan brand. I never tried it. People tell me it's fabulous. I've never had a chance to try it. This is the Cake Lash. So I'm trying it now. It says black on the end here. So I just heard wonderful things about it. Their packaging is beautiful as always. This is a very high price, classy brand, and I can't afford it. And I don't remember where I got it, but I got some in one of my boxes, and that looks very nice as well. So these are what I'll be using, and we'll let you know how I like them along the way. So that is my video today, y'all. I hope that you're doing something to take care of yourself. I feel like last couple of videos I've made, I went through sort of fast. So I know I keep forgetting to say important things. So I don't know what that is, but anyway, if you join any of my giveaways, the rules are usually in every video. I hope you're doing something to take care of yourself today. I hope that you'll go see the collabs. The Temu collab is so much fun. Like a lot of us, the ladies that are in the collab, we all have found from other people's channels things to put in our cart. I have some more Temu videos coming out slowly but surely. I have a lot of other things coming out, so I'm just glad you're here. And I hope that you enjoy my channel as much as I enjoy doing my channel. It's just a lot of fun to me, y'all. And I just, mostly what it is, it's because I get to talk to you guys. And you mean a lot to me. So thank you for being here. And have a fantastic Monday. And have a wonderful week. And go see the Autism collab. Go learn something from that, because you will. You'll learn a lot. And like I said, some of us are having giveaways. I don't know who all is having the giveaways, but I am. I'll put that in the description if you want to find it. And you're welcome to get in on that giveaway. And I think that's it for now. And I hope to see you each and every day. And count your blessings. Bye-bye.